How to recover Facebook accounts from hacker. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to recover Facebook from hacker. So now all you have to do now, go and open up your browser. After you open your browser, now go ahead and tap on the search, this one. So from the search now, go ahead and type in this m.facebook. Go ahead and type in this as you can see now, m.facebook.com. This one, m.facebook.com/hacked. So I'll give you the link in the comment section. Go ahead and tap on the link. So after you open the link like this now, as you can see now, if you believe, here it says, if you believe your account has been compromised by another person or a virus, please click the My Account is Compromised button below. We will help you log back. As you can see now, we will help you log back into your account so that you can regain access. So all you need to do, just tap on this as you can see now, My Account Compromised. So from this option now, go ahead and type in your email address or phone number. So I will use my phone number for this video. So after you tap on this, as you can see now, tap on this continue button. So from this option now, it will give you the list of account. Here it says choose your account. Remember, hackers sometimes change names and profile pictures. So go ahead now and choose one. So for me, I'll just go ahead and choose this one that I saw my number on it. So as you can see now, here it says recover this account. So all you have to do now, tap on this as you can see now, recover account, this one. So from this option now, as you can see now, in order for you to recover your account, this as you can see now, this must be a device that you have used to log into this account before. So you must use a device that you log into your Facebook account before you can be able to recover your Facebook account. So using a new device will not allow you to recover your Facebook account. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.